Oh, here we go. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, yeah.
Where are the big boomers?
Oh, you just wait.
Here we go.
Oh, I like that. That was cool. That was cool. Those ones are cool. I like those little shallow ones like that. Yeah, one of those.
It's like there's.
By itself. Those are nuts. That one? Is it gonna glove? Oh, yeah. Get a little red.
Give me a little green and a little orange.
It's not it, don't worry. No, it's not
Nice.
it. It's definitely not it, trust me. You'll know when it's it. Oh, you'll know. That's cool. Look at that building over there. The green on top. That's crazy. This is. We're getting close. What kind of fucking marketing about it? That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, look at that.
Gorgeous.
There we go. Now we're getting close. Now we're getting close.
The bridge is crazy. There's people driving on the other side.
Yeah.
They're stopped on the side.
Yeah, people are like, yeah, fuck it, I'm stopping. I don't care what you say. Here we go. Here we go. There we go.
No fiesta.
There we go. Damn.
That's how you start a Rose Festival. What is the Rose Festival exactly?
I don't know.
Oh,
Shit. There we go.
too many boomers.
There we go.
It's too much.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Get that shit going.
God. Jesus. Big load.
Here we go. Look at this. There we go. Oh! Shit.